Hello， 大家好，欢迎来到我的频道。In the last video, we have learned imperative sentence, some polite way to use imperative sentence in Chinese. Today, let's go on learning another Chinese grammar, that is an exclamatory sentence, 也就是中文的感叹句。When we meet something that are really amazing, we may exclaim, "Wow, wow!" But after exclamation, how about more expressions? Today, our main task is about to learn some basic expressions that show our strong emotion towards something. That is the exclamatory sentence. In fact, exclamatory sentences are closely related to some adverbs of degree. 在中文中呢，就叫做程度副词。So, if we want to use the exclamatory sentences properly, we have to know some new adverbs first. Actually, the literal meanings of these adverbs of degree is similar. They show the same meanings, just different writing ways. And the basic structure is the adverbs of degree and adjective and exclamation point. Let's see them one by one. Number one is 非常. 非常means very or extremes in English. 非常好, 非常帅, 非常漂亮, 非常 and any adjective. Number two is 真好, 真帅, 真漂亮, something like this. The structure is 真 and adjective. Number three is 太show a high degree, similar to super or extreme in English. 太好了，太美丽了，太漂亮了。But attention here, a difference is that if we use 太, 了 is often used at the end of the sentence with 太. So the basic structure is 太 and adjective and 了 and exclamation point. So that's a little difference between other adverbs of degree. Number four is 多么. We have mentioned the Chinese characters 多 in the previous videos, right? 多么 similar to the how and what in English. When the Chinese students learn the exclamatory sentences in English, I think most of them will recite two sentences. They are, what a beautiful girl. How beautiful a girl. So, 多么 is just like how and what here in the exclamatory sentence. So, the basic structures is 多么 and adjective. 多么漂亮，多么好，多么帅, something like this. We will learn more adverbs of degree with the level increasing in the future. But in HSK level 1, these are enough. Now let's come back to the exclamatory sentences. Chinese exclamatory sentences are very easy. Whether have subject in the sentence is not so necessary. The simplest sentence structure is that the adverbs of degree and adjective and noun and exclamation point, as what I have mentioned above. For example, 多么美好的一天 means what a nice day. 多么漂亮的女孩 means how beautiful a girl. Besides that, if we must have subject in the sentence, the sentence structures is the subject and adverbs of degree and adjective and exclamation point. For example, how kind you are. Here, how is represented for the adverbs of degree, like 真, kind, represents 好 in Chinese. You is 你. So the correct sentence structures in Chinese is 你真好 follows this order. More examples. What a delicious cake. Orders in Chinese is like cake, what delicious. Changing it into the Chinese characters is 蛋糕非常美味. So 蛋糕非常美味，蛋糕非常好吃，蛋糕真好吃，蛋糕太好吃了，多么好吃的蛋糕，非常好吃的蛋糕。All of them are correct that can express that the cake is super delicious. But attention here, if we use Thai, please don't forget le at the end of the sentence. So the most important part of learning the exclamatory sentences in Chinese is that we should know some adverbs of degree first and know the basic sentence structure. Adverbs of degree and adjective and exclamation point. Not very difficult. More practice, that will be okay. Now let's review what we have learned new Chinese characters today. Number 1 is 非常非常 Number 2 真真 Number 3 太太 Number 4 多么多么 Alright, today our video about the exclamatory sentences in Chinese is coming to an end. Have you got some understanding of them? Any questions can leave a comment. Please remember to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!